Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video is we will unboxing the SHIMANO Deore M5100-2 crank. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button para ma-notify ka sa ating next upload. Without further ado, let's get started. This is the SHIMANO Deore M5100 2x11 speed crank or front chain wheel. This is product of Malaysia. The reason why I love Shimano products kasi napakakapal ng box nila. Dahil they make sure na safe at hindi masisira ang item kapag ito ay na-ship sa iba't ibang lugar. And here's the Deore crank arm. Ito ay 170mm. Always refer to the user's manual for you to be guided. And this is the 2x setup of the SHIMANO Deore M5100-2 highlighted Crankset. The small chain ring is 26 teeth and the other one is 36 teeth. And for the bottom bracket naman, you can use any brand as long as ito ay halotech. Pero mas maganda, Shimano ito such as the BB52 and the RS500BB. Sa mga nagtatanong kung pwede ba gawing 1x setup ito ng Deore M5100-2, yes, pwede po. Removable naman po yung mga chain ring kaya pwede nyo itong gawing 1x. Replace nyo lang po ang chain ring, any teeth, 34, 36, or 38 teeth as long as ito ay 96 BCD at pwede na siya maging 1x. And for the price, it's 3,390 pesos only. You can order it through Shopee. I'll just put the link in the description below. And that's the end of this video. If you like this video, hit that like button and also the subscribe button para ma-notify ka sa ating next upload. If you have suggestion, comment down below. Thanks for watching!